brand new 100% commission system. Can I show you how to start making $500, $1,500, $3,500, and even $5,000 using this one simple page? Discover the fastest and easiest way to make life-changing money without having to sell. So, if you're in affiliate marketing, network marketing, digital marketing, or you're just ready to try to ditch your 9 to 5, or just make extra income so you're not struggling month after month, then you want to stay to the end of this video. So why should you trust me? Well, for example, I'm going to show you real results when I search for, you can see I'm in incognito mode. I'm going to search for the name of this article and YouTube video and watch. Right on the first page of Google, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the top 10 results of on the first page of Google. Okay, but maybe that's an anomaly. Okay, so let's look on YouTube. Okay, and then you could see here's my whole playlist. Okay, here's a video, a short, another video from 7 days ago, another video, and another video, and another video, and another video. Okay, so you can see this is the first page of YouTube and Google. Okay, so how are we doing this? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's all based on the blogging, the high ticket lifestyle, team bonuses, 3 secret payouts. Okay, so what is blogging? It's a secret traffic source that people used to use. That no secret because nobody uses it hardly anymore. And I don't know why. For the life of me, why wouldn't you do something when it produces amazing results? Okay? Maybe it takes too long, but then we have that solved too with the Badass Network. But I'm getting great results from this. Okay? As you can tell, one of my Google rankings was my blog. Okay? So the greatest high-ticket lifestyle team bonus is 100% commission system. The greatest asset you can ever own in the digital space is uncompromised leverage. When you build your business inside a 100% commission system, you are no longer giving away the lion's share of your hard work to corporate middlemen who don't even know your name. Okay, so what am I doing here? Why am I repeating what I have written? Because in 2026 and beyond, search engines, AI, are very, very smart. Okay, they're not only looking at what you post. Okay, they're listening to what you say as well. So why wouldn't I post something once, do work one time, and get multiple benefits from it? Okay, that's how you're seeing so many videos, so many on Google and YouTube. Okay, so many assets. Okay. Every single ounce of energy you inject into your engine returns a direct, unmitigated payout straight to your pocket. But it gets deeper. To truly protect your inventory and build lasting wealth, you need a mechanism that maximizes your earning potential based on your specific level of product qualification. So that's where your strategic positioning changes the entire game. Proper positioning ensures that you are fully qualified to capture the maximum commission payout at your chosen inventory tier, allowing you to keep 100% of the money on every single massive strike that matches your level. Did you hear that? 100% of 500, 3,500, 5,000, so 500, 1,500, 3,500, or even $5,000, okay? And you keep 100% of it. So imagine 3,500, you come at the gold level, 3,500, and then you can earn, now if you come within and take action, because you're an action taker, right, you can get a bump. I haven't even talked about that yet. But let's say you come up at 3,500 and you make 3,500 in the first 3 months, 3 times. That is 10,500. Okay, so over $7,000 profit, right? Almost, right? By maintaining your position, imagine how powerful that is. By maintaining your position, you ensure that your builder equity remains entirely intact, maximizing your extraction on every high intent lead. It ensures that your business remains an unyielding fortress, allowing you to secure your seed capital quickly, move straight into house money profit margins, and scale your income with zero friction. You stop renting space from a platform that can turn your traffic with a single algorithm update, and you start dominating your own digital territory. To see how this connects with a long-term passive strategy, check out our master breakdown on digital equity and owned assets. Now, high ticket lifestyle team bonus, example of qualification in action. Imagine you enter the system at the silver level, $1,500. Because you are qualified at the silver tier, you can capture any commission that falls within the bronze or silver product range. Makes sense? Pretty simple, right? However, if you're a high intent buyer clicks your link and decides to purchase the gold level, most of the times you're not qualified that, so it just passes up to in most programs, passes up to the next person, and you get nothing, okay? Your current inventory qualification only covers the silver tier. But, now watch. This is not this system. Okay, if you're at the silver tier and you didn't get the upgrade bump, okay, you get the $1,500. You would earn your full silver commission on that sale. But because you do not own the gold product inventory, you are not qualified to capture the additional gold tier payout. But by proactively using the 48-hour silver to gold bump I'm about to show you, you instantly bridge that gap. You gain the qualification to capture that $3,500 gold strike immediately, allowing you to maximize the revenue from that specific transaction rather than hitting your inventory ceiling. Now, how does that work? I'm glad you asked. Okay, let me find it real quick. Okay. Free, 100% free action taker bonus. 48 hours once you hit the page, after you go through my put your name, number, and name and email address, and your number 2 would be great. Okay, now you get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions if you take action. Okay, and upgrade. If you start the bronze level and that's all you do, you're not qualified. Okay. When you decide to get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. Okay. Yes, when you decide to take action before the timer runs out, you will be rewarded with the next level of qualification. See how it's scrolling, counting down, right? 47 hours, 55 minutes, 10 seconds. Example. See, join at the 500 level, get no upgrade. Join the 1500 level, get qualified at the 3500 level. Join the 3500 level, get qualified at the $5,000 level. And join the 5,000 level, get epic $100,000 bonus. So, those are amazing, life-changing bonuses, okay? The high-ticket lifestyle team bonus is traffic architecture. You cannot build a sovereign digital empire if you're constantly begging for attention on Reddit social media feeds. True leverage requires a dedicated traffic architecture that pulls targeted buyers into your funnel on complete autopilot. Our system deploys a dual action syndication loop that captures high intent searches from day one. Traffic enters your high ranking SEO blogs and targeted YouTube assets, warms up automatically via our automated email sequences, and converts instantly inside our structured sales funnel. Now, how do they do that? Now watch. I'm glad you asked. We have a call center. So people listen to the 3-minute call and the owner calls them back. If you have any questions, call the line, 1-800-771-0769. Leave a message. Listen to the message, okay? That is amazing, right? We make it easy for you. Okay, by combining this automated discovery framework with your core team bonus, you create an inescapable brand presence. The system filters out the looky-loos, handles the presentation, and moves prospects through the pipeline while you're focused entirely on scaling your infrastructure. This is exactly how you take control of your time and stop acting like a janitor in your own business. You're not a customer, you're the architect. You want to match the source code of the traffic segment, dive into the system right now. Give me a second. High-ticket lifestyle bonuses in your sovereign future. We have looked at the math, the qualification tiers, and the traffic architecture. But you need to look past the spreadsheets and ask yourself a harder question. What are you actually building towards? Most people online are stuck in a cycle of digital mediocrity. Excuse me, chasing pennies on rental platforms that do not care if they succeed or fail. 6 months from now, you have a choice. You can still be here grinding away, hoping for a breakthrough on a social media app that changes the algorithm every other week, or you can be a sovereign architect. Imagine waking up, grabbing your coffee, and checking your processor to see that an automated high-ticket strike hit while you were sleeping. You aren't trading your hours for breadcrumbs. You aren't worried about being shadowbound because you own your land, you own your list, and you control your flow. You aren't just making money online, you're operating an engine that buys you back your most valuable asset, your time. That's the difference between a side hustle and an enterprise. The barrier between you, where you are and that sovereign future isn't a lack of talent or a lack of time. It's a lack of positioning. You have the roadmap, you have the vehicle, and you know the math. The only thing left is stop paying the careful tax and start claiming the equity you deserve. The high ticket lifestyle team bonuses, real world commission impact. It is easy to get lost in the numbers, but you need to understand what the commissions actually do to a person's life. When you stop chasing $20 commissions and start hitting high ticket strikes, you aren't just adding to your bank account. You are fundamentally changing your reality. The $500 strike. This is your freedom from bills money. For many, this single strike covers a car payment, electricity, or groceries for the month. It creates a breathing room that most people haven't felt in years. $500 can make a big difference, okay? For some people, it's, whether, it can make, like I say, it can pay a bill. It can pay a car note. It can be the difference between having groceries and not. The $1,500 strike, this is the choice money. This is when you stop being a passenger in your own life and start making decisions. This is the lever that allows you to quit a job you hate or pay off high interest debt that has been holding you back for a decade. It's the $3,500 strike, the gold level. This is the sovereign money. This isn't just a commission, this is capital. When you hit this level, you can self-fund your own growth, scale your traffic architecture, and invest in assets to make your future self wealthy. Do something your future self will thank you for. The $5,000 strike. This is the architect money. One single transaction at this level can change the trajectory of your entire year. It proves you have moved past the scrap stage and now are playing in the league where true wealth is generated. The high ticket lifestyle team bonuses fact. What are high ticket lifestyle team bonuses? These are not generic, outdated marketing PDFs or useless video courses that sit on your hard drive collecting digital dust. The 48-hour commission bump bonus is the live, high-density deployment assets designed to stitch directly into your business infrastructure. They give you the exact templates, scripts, and sovereign traffic strategies required to bypass the typical beginner learning curve and start operating like an enterprise level marketer for level day one. How do high ticket lifestyle team bonuses create a 233% ROI? The system is built on direct mathematical leverage. By bypassing traditional corporate overhead and utilizing a 100% commission blueprint, your very first high ticket strike completely cores your seed capital and pushes you directly into pure profit margins. I want to show you something real quick. I'll be right back. Imagine taking action and getting $3,500 commission, but you only paid $1,500. That's $2,000 profit. That is 230% ROI. That is amazing. And that is possible with this system. Now, the bonus acts as a force multiplier, amplifying your traffic reach and accelerating your conversion rates so your engine hits maximum return velocity with a fraction of the traditional effort. Who qualifies for the high-ticket lifestyle team bonuses? These strategic assets are strictly reserved for action takers who are ready to abandon the low-ticket matrix and take real ownership of their financial future. If you're still looking for a magic button, a passive handout, or a comfortable hobby to pass the time, this vehicle isn't for you. But if you have the grit to deploy a real sovereign engine and position your business at the highest leverage levels from the very start, these bonuses are engineered to pay you back completely. Back your play complete. This is your final line that frames the path out of the low-ticket matrix. If you're ready to stop watching for the sidelines and want to secure your position today, click the link below to access the Sovereign Vault setup. And I've already shown you the kind of elite training you get. Okay? This is how I rank first page of YouTube for multiple times, okay? Multiple times, and on Google as well. Okay? Multiple times, okay? And I've done this with tons of different systems, and different companies. Okay, it's not a, you can do it too. This is JJ Sully, aka John Sully, aka your friendly neighborhood Sully man. Don't delay, get with Jada today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.